We're here today to explain Hogtunes BTS-AA wireless receiver controller for 1999 to 2013 Harleys with factory radios. Using Bluetooth wireless technology, BTS-AA allows you to stream music to the auxiliary in on the front of your radio. The unit perfectly replaces one of the 4 smaller gauges in your fairing. It has a trim bezel that matches factory gauge bezels so it looks close to stock, and if you've added the chrome rings on your gauges, they fit BTS perfectly. BTS-AA is 100% plug and play, easily fastens to your fairing, and in most cases the cable that plugs into the front of your radio is hardly seen. Pairing your Bluetooth device to BTS is super easy, as it is always discoverable and does not require a code. When pairing, turn your ignition on and the Hogtunes logo will start flashing blue. Look for Hogtunes BTS on your device, hit connect, and you're done. You know you're paired when the Hogtunes logo is on solid. Once you are paired and streaming music, the buttons on BTS allow you to play and pause, skip tracks forward, skip tracks backward, and depending on your Bluetooth player, you can adjust the volume of your player. BTS also has an auxiliary in plug on the back where you can plug such things in as a satellite radio or GPS. Simply push the aux button twice and BTS switches from being a Bluetooth receiver to allowing your audio device to pass through to your radio. No more fumbling with wires to get music from your wireless device to the auxiliary in on the front of your radio. If you want the convenience of leaving your Bluetooth player in your jacket, saddlebag, or tour pack, BTS-AA is for you. For more information, please see your nearest drag specialties dealer or visit www.hogtunes.com.
For more information on the products listed in this video, click on the link in the description area below. Feel free to call us with any questions or place an order at 800-969-7501. Don't forget to smash that like button, comment, share, and subscribe for all of the latest DK events, videos, and promos.